How to turn on auto update offline maps on Google Maps. Hello guys, all what you have to do is go to Google Maps. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is easy. Go to the top corner and click on your profile picture like this. Now all what you have to do is go down and click on offline maps option right here. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. And now all what you have to do is go again to the top corner and click on this option. Now right here you will find auto update offline maps and you can turn it on just from here. Very easy and fast, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.